Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to completely uninstall the Agile plugin from your Redmine. Okay, so in our screen now we see my local host Redmine and my Agile plugin installed there. And now the first thing that you have to do is to just open your terminal, your command line. Okay, it is opened with Control Alt and T. Okay, so now I'm going to zoom it a little bit for you so it will be easier to see it. Okay, so now you have to navigate to your core Redmine folder, which is my case is Redmine 5. Okay, so the very first thing that you have to do is to downgrade your database. So it is done with the following command: bundle exec rake redmine plugins name. And here in the name section, it is very important to set the name of the plugin you are going to downgrade in your database. So it is Redmine Agile in our case. Okay, and the next is version 0 and Rails and production. So this is the command for downgrade your database for the Agile plugin. Please take a note that these are just warnings that appeared. So the downgrading the database is actually now in progress. These lines of code are the downgrading process. Okay, so we are done now. The second step that we have to do is to remove the plugins folder itself. So it is done with the command remove force Redmine plugins Redmine Agile. Okay, so when we list the plugins, we see that we see that Agile plugin is no more appearing. Okay, so the next and the last step that we have to do is to just restart our Redmine. So it is done with touch temporary restart.txt, or you could restart your server in general. So let's go back to our Redmine and see what is the behavior. So is our Agile plugin removed? We refresh our page and now wait a couple of seconds because Redmine needs some time for start. Okay, so our Redmine is now restarted and we see that Agile plugin is no more appearing in the list. So we have done our job. We have completely removed Agile plugin from our Redmine. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like, you could check the other articles and videos in our documentation. Thank you very much for watching it, and bye bye for now.